Is there an easy way in Python to wait until certain condition is true? I need to wait in a script until a certain number of conditions become true. I know I can roll my own eventing using condition variables and friends, but I don't want to go through all the trouble of implementing it, since some object property changes come from external thread in a wrapped C++ library, boost.python, so I can't just hijack _setData_ in a class and put a condition variable there, which leaves me with either trying to create and signal a Python condition variable from C++, or wrap a native one and wait on it in Python, both of which sound fiddly, needlessly complicated and boring. Is there an easier way to do it, barring continuous polling of the condition? Ideally it would be along the lines of
Unfortunately, the only possibility to meet your constraints is to periodically poll, for example. Or the like. This can be optimized in several ways if some predicate can be decomposed, for example if it's known to be an and of several clauses, especially if some of the clauses are in turn subject to optimization by being detectable via threading.events or whatever, etc., etc., but in the general terms you ask for, this inefficient approach is the only way out.
Another nice package is waiting. This URL. Install. Usage. You pass a function that will be called every time as a condition, a timeout, and, this is useful, you can pass a description for the waiting, which will be displayed if you get timeout. Error. Using function. Note, the function must return a boolean, true when the wait is over, false otherwise.
Here is another solution. The goal was to make threads to wait on each other before doing some work in a very precise order. The work can take a known amount of time. Constant polling is not good for two reasons: it eats CPU time and action does not start immediately after condition is met. And the way to test it. Waiter for multiprocessing. Please comment if this is still not the best solution.
Here is the threading extension to Alex's solution.
Sonata,